Can we do it then?
At Garuda Aerospace, innovation doesn't stay on the drawing board. It takes flight where the nation's future is being shaped. Recently, our campus became a meeting ground for experience, strategy, and next-generation technology as senior officers from India's defense forces stepped inside our world of indigenous drones. What they witnessed wasn't just manufacturing. It was capability in motion. From precision-engineered platforms to live drone demonstrations, every system reflected a single belief. India's strength lies in technology built at home for real-world missions. Our drones are designed for today's realities: surveillance, logistics, disaster response, agriculture, and defense readiness, bridging operational needs with scalable innovation. This exchange wasn't about showcasing products. It was about aligning vision between those who protect the nation and those who build its technological backbone. At Garuda Aerospace, we are committed to building future-ready systems that empower forces, strengthen self-reliance, and position India as a global drone powerhouse. Because when trust meets technology, the result isn't just progress. It's leadership built to last.